Hi everyone. So something really nice to look out for this weekend is as you're walking through the woods or on paths in the woods, pavement by your houses, on your cars, in ponds, you potentially are going to see copious amounts of birch seed. So why is there so much birch seed everywhere? Birch is an absolutely fantastic plant in that it is a pioneer species. So when there is an area that's denuded through deforestation or forest fire or the end of an ice age, after the bryophytes have moved in, that's the mosses and the lichens, liverworts, etc., you will get plants like this, like the birch tree. They are really successful. And why are they so successful? Well, it's to do with the fact that if you look at these brown structures here, these are called catkins, and you'll see them on the trees at the moment. And these brown catkins are the seeds of the birch. And this catkin actually contains copious amounts of seed. There was some research done by the University of Hong Kong and Queen Mary's in London in 2015, and they measured a birch tree at chest height that had a 20 centimetre diameter, and they estimated 137,000 seeds on that one tree. So you can imagine how successful it is. So in this tiny catkin, you could have 80 seeds. So when the catkin breaks up, you've got a bract, which the books say is three-pronged, but I kind of look at it and see if it's four-pronged. It looks like some kind of exotic boomerang. So the bract is protecting the developing seed, and the seed in the birch we call an achene, so it's a dry nut, and what it has are these kind of papery structures either side of the nut, which makes it a samara. And you probably can think of other samaras we have, like the maple and the seeds of the maple and the sycamore and elms. And it's these papery structures that enable the seed to travel far and wide, which is another reason why it's a pioneer species, because it can colonize new land quite a distance from the parent tree. If you want to have a good look at the seed, the samaras, what's really nice is you can sometimes tell what species you're looking at if you're in the Highlands of Scotland or somewhere near a native woodland where we've only got our two native species, which is downy birch and silver birch. Because with silver birch, the seeds look a little bit like Mickey Mouse ears, with those papery structures either side, very round and protruding beyond the styles, the two structures sticking out from the nut. And if you are looking at downy birch, those papery structures are a little bit more separated out, and so you can see those two styles quite easily, and the samara looks a little bit like bat wings. So I really hope you get to see some of these on your walks this weekend, and do let me know if you see any of the seeds and post pictures on social media. It would be lovely to see what you're finding.